Start this review of the Hotel El Encanto in Avila, looking from the balcony of my hotel room. You can see, if I just swing around a bit more there, that's the cathedral just there, so pretty close and handy to everything. But in these small or old cities, that's not hard because they're not that big. And there's my bike just across the road there, ready to load. Had an parking spot overnight just around the corner, nice and dry and secure. There's a bit of rain overnight yesterday evening. The roads are still a bit wet, but by the time I get out there they should be pretty well dry. I'm not expecting any more rain today, although it is a bit overcast. As you can see, there's patches of blue there, so it's not too bad. But anyway, look onto the hotel room. You've seen the balcony. We'll just come inside again. That's a little desk there. Good hotel again. The name is the El Encanto, and they call it the Hotel and Gastro Espacio. I think there's a fancy restaurant here as well. So that's the last of my stuff I've got to pack up. Got to find a home for my toiletries there. Again, you can see that's these windows that sort of open. I like this arrangement here, where you can tilt these forward. See that? And there's a little gap at the top. So you can either open it right up, have it closed, or have that gap at the top. I had the gap open last night, let some fresh air in. The rest of my things that I've got to load up are on the bike. Motorcycle jacket there. Bed was really comfortable. Didn't flick the TV on at all. Did a bit of work last night at the desk. Plenty of PowerPoints, which is always good for me. So there was one there. You can see one there. There's another couple down there beside the bed, underneath a little sort of ledge there that was handy for my iPad, and then again a couple more there. So yeah, good for people with lots of stuff to charge, I suppose. That's the doorway there. Small bathroom, good shower, basin, and everything you need there. Quite small and compact, but very functional. And like I say, had everything that I wanted to do. This is bathroom again, part of the bathroom, a sort of separate toilet room, and all very nice. So just walk back out here. So yeah, I'd recommend this hotel. I chose wisely, and very happy with that choice, and would gladly recommend it, and stay here again myself. And the one thing that might be a shock to people who have been reading the blog is I actually found it. I made one mistake on the way into the old city, the walled city of Avila, and I just had to loop around a roundabout. So I missed one exit off the roundabout and just had to go all the way around it and pick up that exit again, and then straight to the front door. And I actually parked the bike where it is now and unloaded my stuff. So good for motorcyclists, good secure off-street parking. I was hoping to leave it out there and just save a bit of time yesterday, but the guy at reception was pretty persistent that I should put it into the garage. And look, I had to ride it around again. There's a network of one-way streets here that meant I had to go outside the walls and back in again to get to their car parking spot. But look, it wasn't that much hassle, and it was worth doing. Kept the bike out of the rain overnight as well. So that's it. El Encanto Hotel and Gastro Espacio in Avila.